meetup. This is directions to La Posa South, where we're going to have the magic, the joy, the love, and the atmosphere, the ambiance of the meetup for Q21. Yeah, you got it. So we're right now in La Posa South, driving towards the mountains. Watch the landmarks here on the left and the right, and it'll take you right to where the meetup is. We are going to tie a little yellow ribbon around that old bush out there, scrub bush, and just follow the ribbons and they'll take you to love, joy, and happiness. That's right, come on early, pull your camper in, actually camp with us. You never know what's going to happen. We could wake up and have a pancake breakfast. You never know. So the north part of camp, or the top part of camp, however you want to look at it, is for the COVID people. If you're really worried about COVID or you have underlying health issues, you can camp up there. I have red rags. We'll give them out. If you want to party, we're going to put you down in the bottom part or next to 95, and you can party down there till 10 o'clock is when we recommend you stop partying so everybody else can go to sleep. Or if you want to hang out in the middle of the camp where everybody else is, you can go there too. But keep an eye on the right side of the road. We just passed a vault toilet. We're going to cruise here on the motorcycle up the main hardball road here in La Posa South for a good long ways. You're actually going to pass the dump stations and the toilet. You're going to pass the camp host actually for La Posa South, and then right after that you're going to go ahead and turn into the desert. The reason we did this is, one, there's no big dips. It's really easy to get in. Notice the cactus on your right there. I wouldn't go by the trailers because everybody moves around a lot in here, apparently. So I would just go by the features that can't be moved, like cactuses and camp hosts, and me when I eat cake. So we're going still up here. It's actually really cool because you get to see where the dump station is, and you get to see Carl's driving skills. Now, the reason we're doing here in La Posa South is by the time you get, this is the dump right here that everybody's in line for, and this is the trash that's coming up. We're going to watch Carl throw trash into a trash dumpster on a motorcycle. Let's see if he gets it the first shot, everybody. Can he do it? He shoots, he scores. Yay, the crowd goes wild. The reason we're doing it in La Posa South is because by the time you get your propane, your water, and if you have to dump your tanks at the RV pit stop, it's $30, $35 depending on the size of your tank. If you come here to La Posa South, it's $40, unlimited water, unlimited dump, and unlimited trash. Go figure. So you're not really saving anything by going down to Plamosa Road. We're not doing that this year. We're going to camp over here in La Posa South, and we're all going to have a good time. We have firewood coming, and we have a lot of people coming down and having fun. So you'll notice that he just went past the trash area, and on the right-hand side coming up here, you're going to notice the camp host. You're going to go past the camp host, right, and keep going, and then it's going to be a turn to your right. So we'll stay with you here on the air and narrate like only Operator can. The road's not bad. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, it's only 15 miles an hour in here, and if you do get caught speeding, they will give you a ticket. Coming up on the right here is the camp host. Yay, camp host. You're going to pass this camp host, and then there's going to be a dead tree up here on the right-hand side. You're going to want to turn after, I believe, the dead tree and head into the desert. Don't worry if it's the first time driving on the desert. These are all hard rocks. You are not going to get stuck out here. Trust me on that. Unless you get really silly and drive yourself into a wash. Don't do that. So we're coming up on said dead tree here on your right, and that is where you are going to see the dead tree sticking up, everybody. There it is. You're going to make that right-hand turn. You're heading into the desert. Look at that cactus up there on the left-hand side. Remember that cactus. Play the video back and look for that cactus. Now you're going to come in. You're going to go straight. Do not take the fork to the left. Take the fork to the right. Keep going straight. Remember, off-road vehicles you don't want to make dust because other people are camping out here, so you want to be respectful of other people. Now, we're going to make this right here, okay? And you're going to go straight, pretty much down this road. So you're going to come in, you're going to make a right, then you're going to make another right. And you're just going to go straight. You want to stay left at the fork in the road and just go straight. You should be driving towards US 95, which is the main road out there. And if you hit the main road, which you can do, there is a shortcut through there. I don't recommend doing it with a fifth wheel or a Class A or Class C because it gets really bad. But you can keep going down this way. You'll eventually run in. You're going to pass Jones in the Travel right here on your right-hand side. As you go by, I'd like everybody to honk their horns and show love and respect for Mr. Aaron Jones. If you have a problem with your RV, such as solar or slides or anything else, please come see me and I will get you in contact with Mr. Joneson to Travel. I will be flying my channel flag over at the meetup. You should be able to see it from 95 as you come in to give you a marker of where we're actually going to be camping. I'm coming up on the 15th with a lot of love, joy, happiness, and no drama. That's always a good thing. So come on down to the meetup, bring your loved one, bring your camper, pull in next to us, have a good time. We have firewood, we have a ton of Blackstones, and we have a ton of really super epic, nice people. We're going to have a good time at this meetup, just like we did last week. Everybody, I love you.